Now let's learn the numbers from 13 to 19. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. In English, there is a word teenager, a young person from 13 to 19 years old. The suffix teen is just the same as is used for our numerals. In addition, when pronouncing, try to put the stress not on the root that contains the number itself, but on the suffix. By adding the suffix "tie" to our numbers, the names of numbers from 20 to 90 are formed. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now let's get acquainted with hundreds. With them, everything is quite monotonous. The first word will be a number and the second word, hundred. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. I live in a building number 17. My mom lives in apartment 36. My address is apartment 100, Canberra Street, Sun Valley, Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. I was born in 2020. Instead of a long chain of words, 2020, you can even say 2020 as if you missing the word year itself. My mom was born in 1967. Numerals 100, 1000, million, billion are used with an indefinite "a" or the numeral 1. All other numbers are used without article.